Hello everyone, this is Sumit and welcome to PETROGATE PYQ series, and today we are going to start the questions which has been asked from the petroleum exploration in GATE 2017. Okay, without wasting our time and without wasting of your time also, so we are going to start the question number 1. You can see on the screen, it is match the following question. और I told you many times कि match the following question कभी गलत नहीं होता है बच्चों का generally. Okay, so most of the students always correct the right answer of the match the following. Okay, so match the following question is that कि there is a mention like name of the logs in this particular column 1, and there will be, I think, the application of this column 2. Okay, of this particular log. So I have to match the following only. So gamma ray log I know very well. Gamma ray log and SP log and gamma ray log is your lithology log. So I want to calculate sand, shale, limestone. If I want to differentiate these layers, so I will go for first SP log and gamma log. Okay, so these are the lithology log. These are the representation of lithology log. No problem. So I think the gamma ray log is your lithology log, means P goes to 4th and P goes to 4th. So I think this will be your right answer or this will be your right answer. No problem. Next means restivity log. Restivity log I told you many time. In fact, in our lecture मैं चिल्ला के बोला हूँ बहुत बार कि restivity log has the main application to calculate the water saturation. Note restivity. If in questions the question is given like that कि what is the main application of restivity log, and there is a option of to calculate the water saturation. So that will be your main application of restivity log. So you can say the restivity log the main application of water satuation. Okay, कैसे आर्ची log से आर्ची equation, there is a two kind of archie equation, and if I mix that both archie equation, then I will get the formula to calculate the water saturation. Means water saturation equal to, I told you, this is your N, this is your F, and this is your RW, and this is your RT. Okay, no problem my dear, no problem. I can break this F value equal to A upon phi to the power M, and A and M is constant value. A is your tortuosity index, M is your cementation index, and N is your saturation exponent. 1, 2, 3, these three value will be given in question if your question will ask which is based on the Archie equation. And I repeating again and again, this Archie equation question generally or 99% chances there the question will be based on the Archie equation. Every year one question will come. Okay, now you will see. Okay, so restivity log, the main application is that water saturation, because whatever the formula you have seen now, this is based on what? Restivity log. Then you will approach to the water saturation. So it means restivity log main application is what? Water saturation. It means Q goes to 1. So it means this is your right option, and now you will avoid other column or other logs. Okay, no problem. Your answer, you are getting your answer. आपको आपका आंसर मिल गया है, तो नाउ आप बाकी चीजें छोड़ सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं है. बट स्टिल आई एम टेलिंग यू द सीमेंट बॉन्ड लॉग बेस्ड ऑन what principle cement bond log is working, that will be based on the sound wave, acoustic wave. So I know sound wave and acoustic wave, you will see, and it means R goes to second, it means यहाँ से पता चल रहा है कि यही आंसर सही है. No problem. Last option you will see NMR log measure the permeability. In fact, this is the single log which approach to the permeability. अगर कहीं पे भी permeability की बातें आती हैं तो वो आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए कि ये NMR log से ही निकाला जा सकता है. Only the single log NMR log which calculate your permeability, okay, of the formation. So it means NMR S goes to third. तो यहाँ से पता चल रहा है कि ऑप्शन ए ही मेरा सही ऑप्शन है. ठीक है, सो आई थिंक यू गोट इट. सो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक ये 2 नंबर में होगा वहां पे, और वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट you will see. This is what? This is the sonic, I think, porosity calculation question, or which is based on the sonic log. Okay, no problem. So sonic log in travel time in a loosely consolidated formation is 260. Okay, no problem. So whatever the delta T I am having, that is given delta T log equal to 260, and unit will be microsecond per meter. No problem. Okay, no problem. So no problem. Now matrix and fluid travel time time is given, means delta T matrix is given and delta T fluid is given. Delta T travel time of matrix means 130, no problem, microsecond per meter, okay, and travel time of fluid is over 618 microsecond per meter. You can take look at idea from this data also कि sir fluid has the less density. In less density your velocity of sound wave is very low. It means the time taken will be high. Okay, whatever the time taken to flow in fluid, that will be high. Okay, in 1 meter this will take this microsecond, means higher. And you can say in matrix has the very solid grains, you will see in solid grains, you will see, so that sound velocity will passes in the solid or high density material in very less of time. So that will use very less time, very less microsecond take in 1 meter. Okay, no problem, you can take idea also. So now I am having correction factor also, means compaction or correction factor also given, that is your 1, no problem. So maybe use in valley time equation, okay, and calculate the formation porosity by the valley average time equation, okay, no problem. मुझे ये पता है valley equation क्या होती है, no problem. And in fact lot of students know the valley equation is what? Valley equation which is used to calculate the porosity, which is based on the time, transit time. Okay, so I will calculate the porosity based on the transit time. Means what I am telling you, mean delta T in log minus delta T in your like matrix upon delta T in your fluid minus delta T in your matrix. Okay, no problem. So I will put the formula and you will get the answer. And because of compaction factor, you will multiply of Cp. Okay, sometimes you will have the compaction factor will be 1.1, 1.2, and Cp value always greater than 1 or equal to 1. Okay, less than 1 ये नहीं जाएगा. Okay, no problem. So now the thing is, that is your complete formula to calculate the porosity. Porosity delta T log is given, I think that is your 260 minus 130 upon fluid 618 minus again 130, and you will see the compaction factor 1 by 1. Okay, the porosity value equal to, I have the calculator, you don't worry, I am calculating for you. 260 minus 130, you will get what? 130 upon 618 minus 130, you will get 488, and you will see 1 by 1, it means कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यहाँ पे, phi equal to 130 divided by 488, so you will see what? 26.666. Okay, this means 0.266. Okay, so he is asking in percentage, so I will write phi equal to, my dear, that will be 26.6%, and the gate range is given is what? Let's see the gate range. What is the gate range is given? Okay, no problem. So now I will see the gate range, my dear. I will see. Okay, I will see, yes, this is the gate range, means 25 to 28. So my answer is between in this particular range. So this is your correct answer. Okay, no problem. So अगर मैं थोड़ा सा और आपको knowledge दूँ ना, if I am giving you some more knowledge, so I will tell you some more formulas. Okay, I will tell you some more formulas which is look like of this formula. Okay, that will be your formula: volume of cell because of gamma log, volume of cell because of sp log. Okay, and porosity in density log, and porosity in your like sonic log also. Okay, there are 4 formulas we will see. Okay, and I am telling you, I am writing in all the formulas. Okay, so sometimes do the like misconception हो जाता है कि चीजें कौन सी प्लस आ रही है, कौन सी माइनस हो रही है, कौन सी नीचे है, कौन सी ऊपर है, तो यहाँ गड़बड़ हो जाती है. ठीक है, लेकिन उसका एक थोड़ा सा ट्रिक मैं आपको दे दूंगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं पोरोसिटी से लिख लेता हूँ. सबसे पहले डेल्टा टी log, जो फॉर्मूला मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, डेल्टा टी मैट्रिक्स अपॉन डेल्टा टी फ्लूइड माइनस डेल्टा टी मैट्रिक्स. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला आई एम राइटिंग हियर फॉर दिस इज योर सोनिक log. This is your like density log, means density of matrix minus density of bulk upon density of your matrix minus density of fluid. No problem. Volume of cell because of gamma log. Okay, volume of cell because of sp log I am writing here. Gamma log I know very well. Gamma radiation of log minus gamma radiation of, because in clean or minimum, okay, upon gamma radiation of shell or minus gamma radiation, again this will be copy paste clean. Okay, now I am writing volume of shell here. I am writing volume of shell because of SP log. Okay, because of SP log. So it means SP value SP clean minus SP log upon SP clean minus SP shell. Okay, so now what you will do, what you are doing, actually you will see कि in each and every formula look like same, एक जैसा ये देखने में लग रहे हैं. इनमें कंफ्यूजन ये हो जाता है कि सर किसमें मुझे क्या लेना था, किसमें ये माइनस में था, किसमें ये इधर था, किसमें ये अपोजिट में था, किसमें क्या था. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हल्की चीजें मैं बता देता हूँ, हालांकि ये बहुत बेसिक सी चीजें हैं, बट स्टिल आई एम टेलिंग यू, जिसको याद रखने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, who has the difficulty to remember these kind of formula ना, so I will tell you small tricks. Okay, so in every formula you will see कि there is 3 terms that you have to put the value. One same, it means they are the 1 2 3 value. 1 2 2 3, these are the same. So 1 2 2 3. Okay, here also 3. 1 1 2 3 value I have to put. 1 2 2 3 value I have to put. Okay, so what you will see, you have to put maximum. Suppose every time 3 value you will have in the question. So see which has the greater and see which has the very minimum. Okay, so you have to greater value here and very minimum value here. Okay, means there is a 3 value, means I am taking low, medium and high. Okay, so this value will be high minus very low. Okay, I think got it now. And this value medium and this value low. Every time you have to follow this. You can see here also this value will be very low and this will be medium and this will be high. ओके, जैसा कि हमने अभी वैल्यू रखा भी है, मैंने क्या, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला आई हैव टू पुट, वैल्यू दिस विल बी वोट 260 माइनस लो विल बी वोट 130 अपॉन फ्लूइड मीन्स योर 6 हाई वैल्यू माइनस लो मीन्स 130. यही तो मैंने वैल्यू रखा था. ठीक है, इसमें भी चेक कर लेते हैं. इसमें अगेन वही लो हाई मीडियम, लो हाई मीडियम. तो एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू. ओके, हालांकि ये बहुत ज्यादा चीजें ऐसी नहीं है कि इनमें ये लो हाई मीडियम वाला फॉर्मूला लगाना पड़े, ये हाई लो मीडियम वाला ट्रिक लगाना पड़े, बिकॉज देयर आर वेरी सिंपल काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट जनरली आस्क फ्रॉम आइदर दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, बट स्टिल मैं एक बेसिक आइडिया दे रहा हूं कि अगर आपका आंसर माइनस प्लस में आ जाए तो यू विल सी कि सर मैं गलती कहां कर रहा हूं, हाई कहां लेना था, मीडियम कहां लेना था. समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि 130 माइनस 260 एंड अपॉन में 360 माइनस 130. तो यू विल सी दिस विल बी योर नेगेटिव आंसर, दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव. सो सर मेरा पोरोसिटी नेगेटिव में आ रहा है, सो दिस सब कुछ गलती हुआ है. तो यू कैन चेक दिस मीडियम हाई. ओके, इन लास्ट विल बी लो मीडियम एंड हाई, लास्ट विल बी लो मीडियम एंड हाई, लास्ट विल बी लो मीडियम एंड हाई. ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं, हमेशा कभी गलती नहीं होगा. और एवरी टाइम यू विल हैव द 3 वैल्यूज, नॉट 4 वैल्यू, बट इन 5 इन द ऑल फॉर्मूला यू विल सी द 4 वैल्यू, बट 1 वैल्यू विल कॉमन. ओके, चलिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन गेट 2017 फ्रॉम द फॉर्मेशन इवैल्यूएशन. फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट सेशन, नेक्स्ट क्लास, वी विल सी द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच हैज बीन आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द फॉर्मेशन इवैल्यूएशन in GATE 2018. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.